Welcome to another truck hardware installation tutorial. Today we are installing Precision Manufacturing's wiring harness guard on the 2019 Ram HD new body. This is only a one-piece guard that protects the wiring harness that is on the driver's side rear bumper. Remember, this video is to be used as a companion to the included installation instructions. Let's get started. To start, remove the two factory bolts circled here and set them aside for later reinstallation. Then do the same for this bolt here. With the three M6 bolts removed, move your guard into position over the sensor, aligning it with the three factory holes. Once in place, secure the guard by reinstalling the three M6 bolts. Congratulations! You've just finished installing your kit. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe, and check out our website for more products at truckhardware.ca. Thanks for choosing Truck Hardware.